Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling microphone access and granting speech permissions so audio flows to Copilot. Once done, sign into your Copilot account and confirm the language and voice model. This ensures accurate recognition. Make sure to set a clear wake phrase and test in a quiet room to verify input levels. You'll hear prompts if permissions are missing, so act on them immediately. These first steps remove common blockers and let you proceed to task-focused commands without repeated interruptions. You now practice issuing real commands and refining responses. Start with concise verbs like open, draft, search, and then layer context. For example, send an email to Alex tomorrow at 10 a.m. with the budget attached. Once you hear the draft, ask Copilot to edit or add details. This feedback loop trains better output. Make sure to adjust sensitivity and verbosity in settings if Copilot misunderstands you, and test multi-step tasks to confirm it preserves context across prompts. You finish by turning successful interactions into reliable workflows. Save prompted templates, set shortcuts, and confirm integrations like calendar and files. Once set, run a full task from start to finish to verify context retention and timing. Make sure to monitor latency and battery usage during prolonged sessions. If things go wrong, first check microphone permission and network connectivity, then restart the app. If errors persist, reinstall Copilot to clear corrupted state and reauthorize services to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.